Good morning once again sa Ems Vlog. Hindi na makapagbigay ng puso kasi siguro ang papangit na ng aking mga daliri. You know what? Working and working. And besides, talagang mapangit na ang aking skin at saka daliri ko. So guys, alam niyo may kwento lang ako, no? It's like, yung work ko, kung mahina ka talaga sa pasensya, no? Halimbawa, yung ginagawa mo, I'm a caregiver right now, isang matanda na may sakit na Alzheimer. So, di ba ang hirap nun? Kumbaga, wala siyang cure, but then you have to be patient enough. But pero kung yun namang asawa, di ba, lagi na naglalamenta, always, agonizing, always having the anxieties, and always having the disappointments every day. And even this morning, kagigising lang niya, habang kumakain ako, mag-aalmusal ako, she keeps on talking about her anxieties, her disappointments, her dissatisfactions in life. Alam niyo po yun, yung parang sabi ko, Lord, habang nagsasalita siya, alam niyo po ang ginagawa ko, I'm really praying, I am talking to God. But then, habang nagsasalita siya, naa-absorb ko lahat, pero sa fasad lang. Ano po, sa fasad lang siya talaga. Hindi siya yung maintain ko sa heart ko at sa mind ko. It's like, while she's talking, I'm doing something in my mind, I'm creating something para masagot ko yung mga tanong niya. And I am asking the Lord for wisdom. Kasi kung sa akin lang wisdom, hindi ko kaya. Kaya in a sense na pero mapapagod ka. Anyway, masarap talaga pala kapag alam mo yung life, alam mo i-face, you know how to face every situations. And I cannot do it without my Lord, without our God. If you believe in God's promises, if you believe in God's strength, if you believe in God's hope, if you believe in that God can do anything. Like in the verse, sabi nga, God can do all things. And we can do all things through Christ Jesus who gives us strength. So, our strength is not enough. So, we have to ask God's strength, God's hope, God's peace in everything, in every situations that we are into. So, guys, one thing that I remember, I have listened to many preachings, I have listened to many preachers. Wala akong problema. Alam niyo po, makinig kayo ng makinig sa iba't iba. Wag lang kayo mag-settle sa isa lang pinapakinggan ninyo. Dahil alam niyo po, just get the good things. Because from all those preachings, from all those preachers, makikita nyo yung kanilang sincerity, okay? So, if it is God willing, if it is God-centered, if it is Bible-centered, whatever, ang mahalaga kung may pag-ibig, natututo kayo magmahal, natututo kayo magpakumbaba, natututo kayo mag-understand, yun, gawin natin yun. Hindi lang tayo makinig ng makinig. It's never late. Ako po, matanda na ako. Noon hindi ko pinapansin, so parang I don't care. It's a Italiano, che se ne frega. But you know what, as we age, as we become beautiful, not as we age, mas magandang i-adapt na natin. We made mistakes, big, small sin, big sin. Alam niyo po ang Lord, hindi cruel talaga. And I have learned that God can forgive us anytime if we go to His throne with all our hearts, with all humility. And sometimes kahit na hindi humble pinapatawad ng Lord, that hindi ka lang magtawad. That's how kind our God is. Hindi siya nagpapunish, but He disciplines because He loves us. But you know guys, masasabi ko lang sa ating lahat na naniniwala sa Lord, give Him a chance in your life. Kung hindi pa ninyo masyadong kilala ang Lord, as in kilala lang sa pangalan, pero kung kikilalanin natin with all, yung deep down, a kind of love, relationship na malalim, bedray, makikita nyo ibang klase. I am not rich, but I am not poor. I am not so strong, but I am not weak. Everyone has strength and weaknesses. But if you have God, parang parehas lang. Because our weaknesses become our strength. And our strength becomes a blessing sa ibang tao. So guys, be an encourager, be an encouragement. So,